Hello and welcome. This is a quick demo for the Re Leased and QuickBooks Online integration. Starting off on the lease details page where we can just see the rent for this specific tenant. Ordinarily, you can have these invoices generated automatically, but just for the purposes of the demo, I'll do a one-off invoice. We'll start off by generating that, and we should be landing on the invoice screen. So with QBO, those invoices do sync automatically on creation. But a couple things to note here is that some of the information pulled through from QBO via the sync was the actual tenant name, and then the related property there sort of comes through and associates that with the contact within Released. A couple things to note that we can make sure it's similar on the other side in QBO. Once the invoice syncs, is the line item description. The account and the tax will all be pulled through from QuickBooks Online. We also just confirm the amount there as well. So basically, once we refresh this, we should have an indication that this has been synced across, which is cool. So we also have the QuickBooks Online invoice number, which has now been synced across. So if we jump through to QuickBooks Online, and from here, if we enter in the invoice number that we got from Released and give that a search, we should see that the invoice has appeared over here. So we can click that. A couple things to confirm was the description line's exactly the same. We have the same amount, and we also obviously have the same details for that specific tenant that's pulled through. So for this next part of the workflow, we'll just receive a payment against this invoice. We can confirm that's the full amount of the invoice. And if we hit save and close, it should give us some confirmation. Awesome. So we received the payment, and the invoice has now been paid in full. So heading back through to Released, if we refresh or trigger a sync in the first instance and then refresh this page, we should see that payment being pulled through. Awesome. So we can see that the full amount on that payment has come through. We also have the ability to jump in on this payment and view the actual receipt object. Awesome. Thank you very much.